busy, busy time tonight. Puppies are playing. Foxy's making sure everybody's okay. Cleaning the puppies and cleaning the ground. And she likes being an auntie. Lots of tinkles on the paper. Smart puppies. Lots of wrestling going on. Night, puppies.